Quasars are ancient cosmic clocks ticking at different speeds, holding secrets of the early universe's slow-motion era. These celestial beacons are supermassive black holes devouring stars, emitting light that reveals the universe's youth. Quasar clocks show time dilation effects clearly, where time appears to pass slower due to the universe's rapid expansion and mysterious dark energy influences gradually. Imagine watching a cosmic movie in slow motion. The early universe's events unfold gradually like a detailed time-lapse video, revealing intricate celestial transformations silently. The universe was just 800 million years old when ancient quasars shone brightly, a fraction of its current 13.8 billion-year age, emitting powerful radiation into space. Some quasars are so incredibly distant that their light has been traveling through vast expanses of space for over 12 billion years, carrying ancient secrets with them slowly. Time dilation effects make quasars appear to tick significantly slower by a factor of 5 compared to their actual observed rate in deep space astronomical observations now. Astronomers used quasars as standard clocks to test Einstein's theory of general relativity across vast cosmic distances and mysterious astronomical phenomena carefully. Quasars are like cosmic lighthouses, beaming detailed information about the universe's complex structure, evolution, and mysterious phenomena thoroughly across space regularly. The slow-motion universe is a fascinating phenomenon that occurs when observing extremely distant quasars, creating an illusion rather than a real-time visual effect naturally. Quasars' varying brightness helps researchers understand the universe's early formation processes and supermassive black hole growth patterns significantly over billions of years now. So, the next time you gaze at the stars, remember, some quasars are still ticking away, holding secrets of the universe's infancy.